Welcome back to Channel 2 News at midday. Hurricane Laura made landfall around 1 o'clock this morning as a powerful Category 4 storm.
From Galveston to Louisiana, our team has been covering the damage the hurricane's strong winds and rain left behind. Channel 2's Bill Barajas joins us live from Lake Charles with the damage done to that area. Bill?
Well, just a trail of destruction left by Hurricane Laura. We are in Lake Charles, just outside of the L'Auberge Casino and Resort. And we've been driving around this morning, spent the majority of the morning driving around looking at some of these homes and businesses and schools that have all been damaged. Hate to say it, but it sort of looks like a war zone out there. When I'm talking about damage, I'm talking about roofs being ripped off, the side of homes being torn apart, and then lots of down power lines preventing many folks from trying to get to their homes to see what damage there is. Now, I want to give you just a quick look at what some of the damage was done here. You can see the side of the casino and resort here has been ripped off. Again, those hurricane strength winds just doing a lot of damage here. Now, there is some good news to report. I talked to the Calcasieu Parish Sheriff's Office about an hour ago. They tell me that as of right now, they do not have any reports of any casualties or injuries, but have been unable to really get out and check in with people because deputies have spent the better half of the morning trying to clear the debris off roadways so that they can get into some of these neighborhoods and check in on folks. Now, some of those folks we spoke to as they were getting out this morning, taking a walk with the family to check on their homes. We also spoke to a brave little guy who is keeping a smile on his family's face.
I'm scared. I'm not scared of thunder.
You were not scared? You're a brave little guy?
It was really loud. The wind was pushing the doors. The rain came in because the wind kept like unlocking the doors and pushing them open. My nephew had to keep locking our back door because it was like it was unlocking the door. The shingles came off and kept banging against the windows all night.
And again, just another look at the damage here. Widespread devastation throughout Lake Charles, mostly in the form of wind damage. We plan on making our rounds through different areas of Lake Charles today to try to see some of the damage and talk to those folks who are returning to their homes. The big question is what they're returning home to. Again, we will keep you posted throughout the day on digital and, of course, on TV. Live in Lake Charles, Bill Barajas, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Bill, thank you.